YouTube video with the display off on your iPhone, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone and find the video you want to play. 2. Start playing the video and make sure the audio is playing correctly. 3. Lock your iPhone by pressing the power button located on the side or top of your device. 4. Once locked, you can double tap the home button, for older iPhones with a physical home button, or swipe down from the top right corner, for iPhone 10 or newer with Face ID, to access the control center. 5. From the control center, you'll see the media controls section with the name of the video and playback controls. 6. Tap on the play button to resume playing the video. The audio will continue playing even with the display off. Now you can enjoy listening to the YouTube video's audio while the display remains off. Certainly. One such app is YouTube Music, which lets you play videos in audio-only mode. Here's how you can do it. 1. Download and install the YouTube Music app from the App Store, if you don't already have it. 2. Open the YouTube Music